बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 9 के चैप्टर नंबर 5 ग्रेविटेशन के चैप्टर एमसीक्यूज। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज, अर्थ्स ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन वैनिशेस एट 6400 किलोमीटर, इन्फिनिटी, 42,300 किलोमीटर, 1000 किलोमीटर। करेक्ट आंसर इज इन्फिनिटी। Second MCQs, value of G increase with the increase in mass of body, increase in altitude, decrease in altitude, none of above. Correct answer is decrease in altitude. Third MCQs, the value of G at a height 1 Earth's radius above the surface of the Earth is 2G, half G, 1/3 G, 1/4 G. Correct answer is 1/4 G. Fourth MCQ, the value of G on Moon's surface is 1.6 meter centimeter square. What will be the weight of 100 kg body on the surface of the Moon? 100 Newton, 160 Newton, 1000 Newton, 1600 Newton. Correct answer is 160 Newton. 5 MCQs. The altitude of geostationary orbit in which the communication satellites are launched above the surface of the Earth is 850 kilometer, 1000 kilometer, 6400 kilometer, 42,300 kilometer. Correct answer is 42,300 kilometer. 6 MCQs. The orbital speed of a low orbit satellite is 0, 8 meter per second, 800 meter per second, 8000 meter per second. Correct answer is 8000 meter per second.